In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an end-of-year adjustment journal in Xero. End-of-year adjustments are usually made after your accountant has reviewed your numbers and identified any corrections or final entries needed for your financial statements. These might include things like depreciation, accruals, or corrections to misposted transactions. In Xero, the best way to record these is using a manual journal. I'll walk you through how to get to the right place and how to start setting that journal up. First, log into your Xero dashboard. Once you're on the main homepage, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find the option labeled Accounting. This is where Xero groups your core financial tools such as reports, chart of accounts, and journals. Go ahead and click on Accounting to open the drop-down menu. From that drop-down menu, you'll see an item called Manual Journals. This section is specifically designed for journals that you enter yourself, rather than ones that are created automatically from invoices or bills. Click on Manual Journals. This will take you to the Manual Journals page, where you can see any existing journals as well as create new ones. On the Manual Journals page, look for a button that says New Journal. This is usually located near the top of the page. Clicking this will open up a fresh journal entry screen, ready for you to enter your end-of-year adjustments. Once the new journal screen is open, the first thing you should do is set the date. For end-of-year adjustments, this date is important because it determines which financial year the adjustment will fall into. Typically, you'll use the last day of your financial year, such as the final day of the month that your year ends on. Click into the date field and either type the correct date or select it from the calendar picker. Before you go on to fill in the rest of the journal details, take a moment to double-check that the date is correct. Changing it later can affect your reports, so it's worth getting this right from the start. Once the date is set, you're ready to continue entering the individual debit and credit lines for your adjustment based on the instructions from your accountant or your own review. And that's the basic process for getting to creating and dating an end-of-year adjustment journal in Xero.